Hi guys, welcome to Brains and the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about 4 people that have been killed around the Maypen area in 24 hours. So let's get into this. We just came back from Jamaica yesterday and we have noticed a lot of things and we have a lot of things to talk about. Okay, it says police are keeping a close watch on several communities in and around the Maypen Clarendon following a set of attacks by gunmen that have claimed the lives of 4 persons between Wednesday and Thursday. In one of the incidents, a man and a woman were shot and killed along Mineral Heights Boulevard and Miller Heights Housing Scheme, Clarendon, on Thursday. And we were actually in Jamaica on Thursday. The deceased have been identified as 25-year-old Amanda McClaley of Penguin Key and Maypen Clarendon, an unidentified male who appears to be in his early 30s, brown complexion, medium build, and sports cornrow hairstyle. Reports are that about 5:30 p.m. explosions were heard in the area when the police were summoned. On the arrival of the lawmen, both persons were seen riddled with gunshot wounds. They were taken to the hospital where they were pronounced dead. Hours before the double murder, a man identified as Alvin Russell, a 39-year-old peanut vendor of Evans Avenue in Effortville, Clarendon, was shot dead by unknown assailants in his community. Reports are that at 9:45 a.m. Russell was watching a football training session in his community when 2 armed men approached him and opened gunfire, hitting him multiple times. The police were summoned and Russell was taken to the hospital where he was pronounced dead. On Wednesday, Ashley James, a 57-year-old president of Farm District Clarendon, was shot dead by unknown assailants in his community. Reports from the Maypen police are that about 8:30 p.m. lawmen responded to a loud explosion heard in the area. On their arrival, James was seen in a pool of blood with gunshot wounds on the roadway. He was taken to the hospital where he was pronounced dead. And one thing I realized with a lot of these killings is you have 1 and 2 people in Jamaica that will die very randomly, or die because they help the wrong people, or die because they're just associated with wrong individuals. But a lot of these killings that happen, something, okay, they're behind the scenes doing some foul stuff and it gets caught up with them. But anyway, comment what your thoughts are in the comment section.